So Kling O1 just dropped and it's delivering absolutely mind-blowing results. In today's video, we're going to put it through a complete test to see exactly what this model is capable of. We will be using Kling AI through Higgsfield. And if you are not familiar with Higgsfield, let me quickly explain. This is the Higgsfield dashboard and you will find the link in the description below. Now, Higgsfield is actually a platform that gives you access to multiple AI models in one place, which makes testing and comparing results much easier. Now, here is our game plan. We are going to start simple and gradually move toward more advanced features. First, we will generate a character image using Kling itself, then convert that image into video. As we progress through this video, we will test increasingly complex scenarios with Kling O1. So stick around because the results get really impressive. For our character image, I am using this prompt. For young woman in her mid-20s, wearing a stylish denim jacket over a white t-shirt, long brown hair in a massive bun, subtle makeup, confident expression, standing against a neutral grey background, soft studio lighting, front-facing view, full body visible from waist up, photorealistic style 4K quality. Now here is where it gets interesting. You can see all the available models here, but we are specifically selecting Kling O1. And here is something really important. If I toggle on unlimited, I won't use any credits at all. That's right, you can use Kling O1 completely free through Higgsfield's unlimited generation feature. This is huge because Kling O1 is one of the most advanced video models available right now, and having unlimited access means you can experiment as much as you want without worrying about running out of credits. Let me just hit generate and let's see what we get. Look at this image. The quality is genuinely impressive. You can see the detail in the facial features, the texture of the denim jacket, and the overall photorealistic quality. This is exactly the kind of clean, well-lit character image we need for our video generation test. The neutral background is perfect because it makes it easier for Kling O1 to isolate and track the character consistency across different scenes. Now let's convert this image into video. To do this, you have two options. You can click on video here at the button, or you can click on video from this menu here. Both will take you to the video generation interface. So the first thing you need to do is click on General and select Kling O1 General. Now you will notice two important options here, Elements and Frames. Let me explain what these do because understanding this will really unlock the power of Kling O1. So under Elements, you can upload images or other visual elements. And here is something impressive. You can upload up to 7 images and elements at once. This is perfect for complex compositions where you want to combine multiple assets. Under Frames, you can define two specific positions, your starting frame and your ending frame. This gives you precise directional control over how your shot begins and where it ends, which is incredibly useful for creating smooth, controlled transitions. For this test, we're going with Elements. I will upload the character image we just generated. Now comes the important part, the prompt. This is where we will tell Kling O1 exactly how we want to transform this static image into video. Here is my prompt. A person walking through a busy city street during golden hour, cinematic handheld camera following from behind, warm sunset lighting, casting long shadows, urban environment with blurred pedestrians in background, shallow depth of field, 24mm lens perspective, natural walking motion. Notice how I used @ syntax to tag image 1. This is crucial. The @ symbol tells Kling O1 to reference the specific uploaded image and maintain character consistency. This is one of the breakthrough features that sets Kling O1 apart from other video models. Next, you can select your model by clicking here. You will see all available models, but since we're testing Kling AI specifically, we will select Kling O1 video. Now here is where it gets really exciting. The duration settings. You can generate videos up to 10 seconds long, which is genuinely mind-blowing. Most AI video generators max out at 5 seconds. So having the option to go up to 10 seconds gives you so much more storytelling potential. You will see two options here, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. For this demonstration, I will go with 5 seconds to keep the generation time reasonable. I will set the aspect ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube and most social media platforms. And now, let's hit generate. Just look at this result. Here is the original static image and here is the video it created. Look at the character consistency, the denim jacket, the hair, the overall appearance. everything matches perfectly. The way it animated the walking motion, the camera movement tracking from behind, the golden hour lighting with those long shadows, this is remarkably accurate. The character looks exactly like our source image, which proves Kling O1's ability to maintain visual consistency while adding realistic motion and cinematic camera work. So that was our first test. Now let's move on to our second, more challenging test. I have this character image, and what I am going to do is create multiple different scenes using the exact same character. This will really show us how well Kling O1 maintains character consistency across completely different environments and situations. Let's put it to the test. Alright, so I have uploaded the image here, and for this scene I am using this prompt. Image 1 sitting in a cozy coffee shop by window, sipping coffee, soft natural lighting streaming through glass, broken background with blurred cafe interior, peaceful contemplative mood, medium shoot. Let me hit generate. And here is the result. Now let me generate all the different scenes one by one so you can see the full range of what Kling O1 can do. Now look at this comparison. Here is our original character image, and these are all the different videos I created with him in completely different scenes, different locations, different lighting conditions, different actions. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Look at the character consistency across every single scene. The facial feature, the hair, the overall appearance, it's maintaining 100% accuracy. In the coffee shop scene, he is the same person. In the rain scene, same character. On the rooftop at night with completely different lighting, still perfectly consistent. This is what makes Kling O1 revolutionary. Most AI video models struggle to keep the same character consistent even across two scenes. But here we have multiple completely different environments. Indoor, outdoor, day, night, different weather conditions. And the character looks identical in every single one. This level of consistency is exactly what content creators and filmmakers need for storytelling. Now here is where Kling O1 really shows its power. You can actually edit existing videos using it. I'm talking about removing specific elements, adding new ones, or completely transforming the scene. This is video editing through AI, and it's honestly game-changing. Let me show you how this works. So I have uploaded this video here. Notice the background and environment are all set during night time. What I want to do is shift this entire scene from night to daytime. So in my prompt, I simply told it to convert this video to daytime. Now just look at this result. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Look how realistic this is. You wouldn't even know this was originally shot at night. The lighting is completely natural. The shadows are correct. The color temperature has shifted to warm daylight tones. The transformation is seamless. This isn't just slapping a filter on top. Kling O1 is actually understanding the scene's visual logic and reconstructing it with proper daytime lighting physics. This opens up incredible possibilities. Using Kling O1 this way, you will remove objects from videos, add new elements, change weather conditions, shift time to day, modify colors, essentially editing your video using nothing but natural language prompts. No context masking, no keyframing, no manual rotoscoping. Just describe what you want changed, and Kling O1 handles the pixel level reconstruction. This is particularly powerful for content creators who want to create multiple variations of the same scene, or fix lighting issues, or completely reimagine the mood and atmosphere of existing footage. Now, let's test one of Kling O1's most powerful features, multi-image compositing. I have three separate images here: a headphone, an environment background, and a character. What I want to do is merge all three of these images into a single cohesive video. This is where the real magic happens. As I mentioned earlier, Kling O1 allows you to upload up to 7 images at once, which gives you incredible flexibility for complex compositions. So I am uploading all 3 images here: the headphone, the character, and the studio environment. Now here is the prompt I am using. Put the headphone from image 1 on the character from image 2, standing in the environment from image 3. Character wearing headphone naturally, slight head nod to music, cinematic lighting with warm tones, shallow depth of field focusing on character, professional music video aesthetic, subtle camera pose and movement. Notice how I am using the @ syntax to reference each specific image, like @image 1 for the headphone, @image 2 for the character, @image 3 for the environment. This level of precision control is what makes Kling O1 revolutionary. You are essentially directing the AI on exactly which elements to extract from which source and how to combine them. Let me hit generate. Now just look at this result. This is insane. The headphones from the first image are now naturally placed on the character from the second image, and they are both seamlessly integrated into the studio environment from the third image. The lighting matches perfectly, the shadows are consistent, the depth of field creates that professional cinematic look, and the subtle camera movement adds that dynamic feel. This is 100% photorealistic. You wouldn't know these three elements came from completely different sources. The way the headphones sit naturally on her head, the way the lighting wraps around her in the environment, the way everything blends together. This is the kind of high quality, realistic compositing that would normally take hours of manual work in traditional video editing software. Kling O1 is doing it all through AI with just a text prompt. So there to have it. Kling O1 is absolutely crossing it right now. The character consistency, the multi-image compositing, the video editing capabilities, the 10-second generation length, this is genuinely next level AI video generation technology. Now here is something really important you need to know. Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for everyone who subscribes to their Unlimited Plus plan by December 17th. That's unlimited access to one of the most powerful AI video models available right now with no credit limit. This is a limited time offer, so if you're serious about AI video creation, this is the time to jump in. And just to put things in perspective, let me show you this comparison. When you look at the pricing across different platforms, Higgsfield is currently offering the lowest prices on the market. That's significantly cheaper, and you are getting access to the same cutting-edge technology. The link to Higgsfield is in the description below. Make sure you check it out before December 7 to lock in that unlimited Kling O1 access. If you found this video helpful and want to see more AI tool reviews and tutorials like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Drop a comment below and let me know what you created with Kling O1. I would love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.